Buntes, Kabayan Buntes. I'm Inchi.
And I'm Nikki.
Another science experiment for you while staying at home. It's about the reaction of baking soda in different liquids. What do we need, Nikki?
We need 3 glass. 1, 2, 3. We need 1 spoon. We need 1 baking soda.
We need Pepsi, water, and Mirinda. The Mirinda is almost finished because me and Nikki like drinking it.
It's too yummy. Open. Baking soda.
Next, we'll put 1 spoon of baking soda.
Oh no, baking soda.
Wow!
Wow.
Next, I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda in the water. No reaction. No reaction. Ooh, it's coming.
It's going to action.
If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and ring the bell.